can't do it. I have to take soda.
Take the soda. Take mine, even.
Ah! That sounded horrible. Oh, that beat me. That sounded weird. Oh, finally, I got it, kind of.
X, Y, Z. Down, up, A,
Ah!
B, space,
Perfect.
X.
Hi. See, I can't do it on camera. Ah! That's Cindy for you. They made me do this. They made me do this.
Yeah.
That's only because we love her.
We love her so dearly.
Holy crap! Okay! Me and Danielle can't be that. No.
That was like a once in a lifetime thing.
That's her.
That's Cindy for you. Hey, I have best friends. They can hold their burps for a minute and a half.
I don't care. That was pretty good. That's the only time I've ever heard anyone actually do it for that long.
That was short compared to the rest of yours. No, wait, one second. Oh,
Sounds like a toad. Sounds like a nasty toad.
That's the point. You can do burps anymore, you know?
I love your burps. She sounds like a frog.
You can see my toes.
Awesome food.
You gotta burp in.